Hello guys, I'm Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, I will teach you guys how to buy some certain coins that are not available in other platforms. Today I will teach you guys how to buy Shiba Inu coin on MXC exchange platform. Because I received a lot of messages asking me if I can do a guide to guide you guys how to purchase Shiba Inu in a platform. So let's get started. If you guys don't have a MXC trading account, I will put a link down below later in the description below. You guys can click the link and just go and register straight away. So once you already registered, make sure that you guys need to do some verification such as the KYC by putting your IC number and your ID passport to ensure that that account is really yours. Actually, the verification is very easy. Okay, once you already registered an MXC account, you need to go to the right click here, the right side here, and do the I think it should be the user center, and then you need to do the identity auth here, which is the primary KYC approved. As you can see here, it's already approved, so I don't need to do any more KYC. So if you guys haven't do yet, you guys can go over here and do the KYC. After you do the KYC, what you need to do is you already can start doing your trading and so on and so forth. But in order for you to buy Shiba Inu coin, there are different ways you can buy. It's either you can buy USDT from other platform, or you can buy USDT from other exchanges platform first, then you transfer it to the MXC here, then only you swap it to this Shiba Inu coin, or you buy the USDT directly from the MXC exchange platform. Okay, today I will teach you guys how to buy US dollars directly from this platform. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is you will see the buy crypto here. There is P2P trading, credit trading, and push. Today I will teach you guys how to do the P2P trading. Okay, so when you click the P2P trading, it will pop up something like this, where you will see the sellers are here. Okay, of course I won't be buying. I'll just guide you guys how to buy. Okay, you will see a different sellers here, whereby you will see a lot of rates here, but there's only one rate so far, which is 4.49, and this is the seller name. So let's say you want to buy. Okay, this seller offers minimum amount that you can buy from him is starting from 500 to 2,200 ringgit Malaysia. So of course he's not available right now because he only left 10 US dollars, so you cannot buy anything from him. Let's say if I give an example, US dollar, there's a different people. You can see here different seller, but since we are from Malaysia, so there's only one seller here lah. Let's say in future there you see certain seller that are selling USDT here. So what you need to do is you click a buy here. Okay, you click a buy here, and then you want to put the amount that you want to buy. Okay, let's say this is in ringgit. So let's say you want to buy 2,000 in future. Let's say if there is a seller selling up to 2,000 ringgit Malaysia worth of USDT. So you put 2,000 here. It will automatically calculate the rate of 4.49 depending on that seller on that day. Okay, so when you pay this amount, what you get is this amount in your wallet. Means let's say you pay 2,000 ringgit. After you click order, after you completed the process, what you get in this wallet will be 445 US dollar worth in your wallet. So what happens when you click order? So once you click order, there will be a window whereby you need to pay and bank into the seller. There will be different information depending on the seller. Okay, let's say this seller will have his bank account. Okay, he will put his name there, his bank account there, and the bank name there, and the reference number or whatsoever, and the amount you need to pay. So you just follow accordingly to the amount and the account number. Okay, let's say the account number is 123456, and then this 123456 is from, let's say, from public bank. Then his name is called ABC. Okay, so make sure that you key in all correctly, means you bank into him correctly. Okay, once you already bank in, make sure to screenshot the receipt that you already banked into him, and you save a copy in your phone or in your computer. Okay, so once you already transferred the money to him, the next thing you need to do is you need to click the button somewhere around here, which is click I have already transferred. Something like that. There's a button there. Do not click cancel. Do not click cancel if you already transferred the money. When you already transferred the money, make sure that you click I have already transferred. So what happens when you click the button, it will notify the sellers that you already transferred the money to him. So what he needs to do is, he needs to check his bank account to ensure that he received the money. So once he already received it successfully, he will release the USDT directly to you within few minutes depending on his availability. So it's very simple. Once you already paid, make sure you screenshot the bank slip, save it to your computer or save it to your phone to ensure that, let's say the seller asks for the proof, then you send it to him. Once you already transferred, make sure do not click cancel unless you haven't transferred anything at all. Okay, so once you already transferred, make sure that you click I have already transferred, and it will automatically notify the seller to check their balances. And then let's say they check already, they receive your money, then it will automatically release to you. Once you already completed the transaction between you and the seller, you will receive a notification after that, which is ask you to transfer to a trading account. So you need to click the transfer button, and then let's say you receive a $250. So you just click transfer, and then you write there, transfer from main account to trading account, something like that. Okay, your main account is which is from just now where you purchased it, the US dollar. So you just need to click transfer 250 from the main account to the trading account. So you have the 250 in your trading account. So once you have 250 US dollar in your trading account, the next thing you need to do is you go to the exchange on your left side. So what you need to do is you need to click standard. Unless you are professional, you can click professional. Okay, let's go on standard first. So once you click standard, you will comes to here. So what you need to do is, if let's say you're not in the Shiba USDT platform, you can type for, let's say, SHIB. There, you can see here. Once you click, you can click here already. Okay, once you already click, there will be a chart here where you can do the buy and sell. And this is the sellers and these are the buyers. Means the green color is the buyers and the red colors in the seller. I mean, this is the seller that they want to sell at this price, and this is the buyer they want to buy at this price. So what you need to do is, let's say you have 250 here. Okay, let's say you want to buy at this price. So what you need to do is you just click here. Okay, once you click here, it will change to this number, and then you just drag. Okay, let's say you have 250, you just drag 100%. Okay, this is 100%. Okay, let's say you have 250, imagine this is 250, you drag 100%, you will get this amount. Means you are paying 1 Shiba coin for this amount, and the coin that you will get in the end would be this amount. Okay, so it's very easy, very straightforward. What you need to do is you need to click, or you want to type. Okay, let's say you want to type at 3, also can. See, when you type lower, the more lower it goes, the more coin you gain. Of course, if the price drops to that price, only your order can be triggered. If the price never dropped to the price that you ordered, it will never trigger. Okay, let's say I try now. Okay, let's say I put a 3 here. Okay, right now the price is 4, right? So I put a 3 here. So if it hits the 3, my order will trigger and I will get this total amount from $1. Okay, so I click buy. Okay, I cannot buy because the minimum order is 5 USDT. Okay, so eventually you will get the whole concept correctly. You just need to click the amount that you want, click the price that you're willing to buy at the price. Okay, let's say if you want to buy immediately, you can buy from this seller because this seller are selling. Of course, if you want to wait, you can buy either from this price. It means you can enter from this price, or you can enter below manually as you want. Okay, so I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode, remember to click like, share, and subscribe my channel. So I'll see you guys in the episode, and bye bye.